Hi guys, Rick Davis at Cowtown USA with a 6-horse all aluminum trailer here, Midtack, tri-axle, aluminum wheels, radial tires. We are about, I think we're less than 3 weeks till spring. So it's coming, guys, it's coming. Stainless steel front end, take care of the tack room. Swing out blanket bars, and another blanket bar here on the shoulder of this. Fully insulated in the horse compartment, closed bar up over its nose. Has a mid-tack here. 2, 4, 6, 8 saddle racks here. Fully lined, fully insulated. Full escape door. Let me back up here so you can see it. Drop down doors with bars in front of every horse. 3 manger doors and 5 mangers. Full escape door with the drop down door, mist tent, load lights or porch lights on both sides. Trailer's completely insulated from front to back. Radial tires, aluminum wheels, horse ties all down the side and inside. Has got your rear ramp on the back. I mean, this trailer's right. You got 8 saddle racks there, 4 in the back. These are all swing out. Collapsible rear tack back here. Looks like it's 50-50. Fully padded, slam latch dividers, fully insulated ceiling. All pads. Trailer's clean, serviced, LED lighting. 2006 model. 6-horse, mid-tack, nice tack room. Cowtown USA, Cuba, Missouri, 573-885-6300. 573-885-6300. Thank you.